I want to show you guys these brushes that I received from the company. These are really nice brushes. They have a really nice handle. They come with all different sizes, and then they also come with the plastic protection on them. Just to use them, you can just use them with any type of media that you want. They're, let's see if you can see, they're soft. I would use them personally for watercolors the most, but also this one is brand new. I haven't used this one yet. So you got to get it wet first. I would use these for acrylic or watercolors. I'm not sure if I would use them for oil paints, but kids can use them, adults. They're definitely like a nice professional type of watercolor brush or regular paintbrush, but I would be happy to give these to my kids to use as well. They come in all different sizes. So this one's like a really nice detailed brush, and then a bigger one for larger areas. I wanted to show you what it's like when I'm using it. So this is just a watercolor pencil that I have on here, and this is the size 12 brush. I just get a little wet. So you see, like, you really get nice brush strokes and some nice detail on there. You can see how pretty it goes on. These are great. I would definitely pick these up if you're looking for some new paintbrushes. Again, either for like a student, a child, or an adult experimenting and wanting to do some painting. You can see like the detail of this one. Really happy with these. I'm glad we have them.